imagine. You need to secure your site. It can be a warehouse, a military facility or power plant, a private house, airport, factory, or any other site. The site is fenced, but this is not enough to assure security. You need an integrated perimeter security system. What should it look like? The whole perimeter must be protected equally well. Any weak point will be found. The system must detect an intruder, regardless of who he is, an unwelcome guest or a trained professional. False alarms and ongoing adjustments are intolerable. Weather conditions or seasonal changes must not affect security performance. It must be simple to use, fail-safe, and inexpensive. To sum it up, you install the security system and you only remember that you have it when a real threat comes up. All these demands are met by the GIRZA 035 detector. GIRZA consists of a signal processing unit and a sensor. The cable is laid on a secured fence. When trying to climb over the fence, an intruder inevitably deforms it. The slightest deformations are transmitted to the cable via mounting points. Cable insulation rubs against the wires and becomes electrified. The detector's signal processing unit registers the charge and activates an alarm signal. GIRZA 035 can secure any type of fence: wire mesh, wrought iron, barbed or razor wire, concrete, brick, metal, or wooden fences, as well as gates, portals, and adjacent roofs. A screwdriver and pliers are all that's needed for sensor installation. GIRZA detects only unauthorized intruder actions. People can walk along the fence, cars can pass nearby, birds can fly, cats can walk. This is not against the law, but you can't climb over the fence, cut the wires, break the bars, or breach a metal plate undetected. Such actions require a force of at least 20 kilograms, an obvious signal for GIRZA to activate the alarm. In most cases, however, guarding the perimeter means not just securing the fence. GIRZA 038 controls undermining. GIRZA 050 protects windows and doors of buildings adjacent to the perimeter, as well as ventilation and sewer channels. GIRZA 048 controls any breach of walls and solid fences. These systems can secure all the other intrusion routes. GIRZA detectors are immune to noise. For years, they have guarded hundreds of facilities and thousands of kilometers of fencing without any false alarms. This was achieved by adopting a unique method for noise compensation derived from aircraft control theory. Imagine a cruise missile. It has a lot of interference in its way. The missile feels it and compensates so as not to wander off course and ultimately reaches the target. Likewise, GIRZA feels the noise, compensates for it with no false alarms, and confidently detects an intruder. As opposed to other detectors, GIRZA protection does not end when there is an electric shock or discharge, and the system continues guarding the site as if nothing has happened. GIRZA provides a consistent performance in any climate. It has an outstanding adaptability to weather and requires no seasonal adjustment. A unique anti-aging technology allows stable performance for more than 10 years. The first GIRZA series detectors were manufactured in 1991. Many of those models are still efficiently operating. The company's own research facility allows for the constant refining of the systems and extending the product line.